Hello everyone. Let us solve the following. A contractor wants to set up a slide for the children to play in the park. He wants to set it up at the height of 2 meters and by making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. What should be the length of the slide? Okay, we need to find the length of a slide to be put in a park. Okay, whose height is 2 meters from the ground and the angle that is making with the ground is 30 degrees. Okay, in order to solve this problem or in order to get the length of the slide, let us draw the diagram for the given data first. Okay, see here. So this is the slider whose length is not known. Let us assume it as x meters. Okay, but this slider is at a height of 2 meters from the ground. Okay, it is 2 meters from the ground, and the slider is making 30 degrees angle with the ground. This is all the information given in the problem, right? So we are going to find the length of the slider here. This is the length of the slider. Okay, so definitely we can model the slide as the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. The length of the slide, okay, we can take it as the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle, right? And the angle that the slide is making with the ground is 30 degrees, and the height of that particular slide from the ground is 2 meters. Okay, so when we consider this angle 30 degrees, this completely it is in the form of a right angle triangle, and definitely the when we consider this angle 30 degrees, the opposite side to this angle is nothing but the height of the slider from the ground, that is nothing but 2 meters. Okay, so the angle with the ground is 30 degrees. Okay, right. Now, to find out the required value, let us find the hypotenuse part of that right angle triangle, right? So, what do we know? Just we are using simple trigonometric ratios. We are taking sine theta here. Okay, sine theta, what do we know? Sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, what is given? Theta is 30 degrees and the opposite side is 2 meters. That is given here. So, sine 30 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, right? So sine 30 is equal to opposite side means 2 is equal to opposite side 2 by hypotenuse. Okay, so we know the value of sine 30. Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So we are equating sine 30 with opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, so 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by hypotenuse. So for simple, after simplifying, hypotenuse will become by transposing the term simply. So 2 into 2, that is nothing but 4 meters. Okay, so the length of the slide becomes 4 meters here. Okay, so just we have created the image of that particular slide with the given data. So if we are able to create this image in the form of a right angle triangle, just we can apply simple trigonometric ratios and we can find it. Here we applied only sine 30. Just applying the sine ratio, okay, we are able to find the length of the slide there. Okay, so the length of the slide is 4 meters, right? So I hope you understood the problem. If you understand, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.